Using the YouTrip Card Abroad is one of the smartest ways to manage your finances while traveling. Unlike traditional credit or debit cards, YouTrip allows you to hold multiple currencies at once, which eliminates the need for constant currency conversions. You can load your card with US dollars, euros, Japanese yen, and many other currencies, locking in competitive exchange rates before you even leave home. This not only saves money on conversion fees, but also gives you full control over your spending abroad. When making payments, the YouTrip card automatically detects the currency of the transaction and deducts from the corresponding balance. This seamless process ensures you're never charged unnecessary conversion fees, which can quickly add up during extended trips. Using the card for everyday purchases like meals, transportation, and shopping keeps your expenses transparent and easy to track through the YouTrip app. The app provides real-time notifications for every transaction, letting you monitor spending immediately and avoid surprises on your statement. ATM withdrawals are another area where YouTrip excels. You can withdraw cash directly in local currencies at ATMs without the hidden fees that typical banks often charge. There is a small flat fee for withdrawals, but this is significantly lower than the rates offered by most traditional cards. For larger transactions or online bookings, YouTrip is also widely accepted internationally, whether you're booking hotels, flights, or experiences. Security is a key advantage. YouTrip cards are protected with instant card lock features and two-factor authentication through the app. If the card is lost or stolen, you can immediately freeze it and prevent unauthorized access. Combining convenience, cost efficiency, and security, YouTrip is the ideal travel companion for anyone looking to spend smarter abroad.